I'm going to show you how to view your Spotify Wrapped monthly. It's really easy to do. So the first thing we do is if we go to the Spotify app like I've done. So here you can currently see, if we go to the search bar and type in the word Wrapped like so, you can currently see these are all my playlists for every single year, my entire yearly rewind. But that's not how you view monthly. If you want to view monthly, you actually cannot view monthly on the actual Spotify app. They do have an application, a website that is called Receiptify right here. So you want to type in Receiptify Spotify on your local web browser and simply click on Receiptify like so. Now from here, you simply need to log in using your Spotify account. And once you've logged in, you can simply see your last month of Spotify top 10 songs and the amount of times you've listened to. If you want to change the time frame of this, you can simply scroll to the bottom and actually click on the time period. If you want 6 months, you can see this is the 6 months right here. Or you can actually choose the last year and so on. But it's simple as that, and you can even download this image and even change the font if you don't like this font, and it'll show you the top 50 songs if you scroll down and click on the top 50 right here. And these are the top 50 songs I've listened to in the last month, and that's how you view Spotify Wrapped monthly. This is currently up to date until yesterday, so this is literally